So far, you have learned about start and end events and tasks. Now we add a new element, gateways. Gateways control a logic flow of a process. They determine whether activities should happen in sequence, in parallel, or based on specific conditions. But more on that later. For now, we take a look at the most common types of gateways, the exclusive gateway, also called the XOR gateway. An exclusive gateway defines a decision point in the process. It checks whether a certain condition is true or false, and based on the result, only one path is followed. This decision is usually written as a question above the gateway. For example, has the payment been made? If the answer is yes, the process continues along one path. If not, it follows the alternative path. In general, whenever a gateway splits the process into multiple paths, those paths can later be brought back together using a closing gateway. You'll learn later in the course when and how to use these closing gateways effectively. For now, just keep in mind that we distinguish between gateways that open up the flow and those that merge it back together. If you enjoyed this video and want to become truly confident in process modeling, check out my complete BPMN Masterclass on Udemy. The link is in the description below.